What is up, everyone watching on YouTube? Today I got a little something different for you. I don't have a sneaker unboxing, but I do have a wear review of these Birkenstocks. Arizona Shearling Suede in Mountain View Green. I did an unboxing of these a while back. Check that out for my initial impressions. But I've put some good wear on these. I've worn them around the house a lot, and so I thought at this point I've had enough experience with them, time in them, to give you a quality review. So here we go. Let me take one off, bring it up to the camera. I've never really been a fan of Birk Boys, of the Birkenstocks. I actually like the way they look. I like the way that some of them look, especially all the different colorways. But, something about it is like, I'm not a San Francisco tech bro. What does wearing Birkenstocks say about the person behind them with their foot in them? And just, I don't know. Maybe it's something, in my younger days, being concerned with what girls or women I would be interested in. I think there's some that like a dapper dude, casually dressed in these, and then other, there's other girls that I'd be interested that would, wouldn't give me a second look if I was wearing these. So I think that was always in the back of my mind. I kind of wanted to be equal opportunist with my shoes, set a wide net for all ladies that might be interested. But now, I have a girlfriend, and we avoided the issue of wearing these out in public by getting some indoor versions. I got the Shearling, Arizona Shearling ones, and while I do live in Southern California, it has been cold this year, so I'm very thankful I have the Shearling lining. I do not have a pair of just the regular Birkenstocks to wear that for primarily outdoor use. So anyways, that's just my little brief take on Birkenstocks. I do like their design, kind of this like cork look, utilitarian outsole, nice suede, nice earth tone colors, bright colors even. It's a well constructed and designed product, but just I don't know if it's always been for me. In the house though, it is for me. So I got these in size 46. I am a size 12, 11 and a half, 12. I don't know what I was thinking. These were on sale on Notre. I think I got them for like 40, and they usually retail for like 80. I got them like half off. Maybe they even retail for more. I think it's 100 plus. So I got them on such deep discount. I think I just I don't know what I was thinking. It was a rush buy. And so when I initially got these, and you'll see in that unboxing video, they're a little big. I hadn't strapped them properly. They're definitely big. So I am not a size 13. These are big. That being said, with wear, they molded to my feet, and now they fit. So you can see I have extra room. Well, I'm not standing up, but I have extra room at the toe, a little at the heel. So going a full size up didn't kill me. These are still wearable. They molded to my foot. So with concerns to sizing, I would go I think they go by kind of full sizes. So I would have gone, in hindsight, a 45, which is a size 12 or 12 and a half, not a size 46. I think I'd be a little afraid to go down to the 44, which is an 11, 11 and a half. Just also because I wear these with socks sometimes. You wear Birkenstocks with socks sometimes. But yeah, that's what I'd go on sizing. I would go like the half size up, and I think you'll be fine. There's a lot of stores that carry Birkenstocks, so if you want the perfect fit, just go to one and try them on. Don't be like me and blindly buy on the internet. But I have survived so far. Now, I do wear these with socks. As you can see, I'm wearing my Nike SB throwback socks, and the throwback tennis logo look or pattern and colors. I do wear these with socks. You can wear them without socks. The question I think people might ask, are these warm without socks? And they are. I think even when it's kind of chilly in the house, throw these on, and they provide a nice amount of warmth with this Shearling suede. As you can see now, I've worn these a lot. Here's kind of the wear. They will get dirty, if you don't keep an immaculate floor and then you slide your feet into these, they are going to get dirty. I don't know. I don't know if you're expecting to avoid that. I knew they would get dirty with this white faux fur. They kind of look. A couple stains here and there. A little, but not too bad. I actually thought it would be worse. Some fuzz in there. Yeah, I thought it would be worse. It's not too bad. And what's great about these is yeah, they keep your feet warm without wearing socks if you don't want to. And then B, I like that, they have the outdoor traction so that like if I want to run out, take the garbage out, go get the mail, run to Starbucks or whatever, you can do that. I think some like house slippers or foam shoes, you'd be hesitant to wear outside just because like what the bottom of the sole is. But these, this durable kind of like foam rubber right there, you can see. So yeah, haven't really had any issues with like bleeding because you have the liner on the inside and like I don't wear these in water. But yeah, very comfortable around the house. They are a little firm. There's not a ton of give in the midsole here. It's not like super cushiony. This like fur provides a little bit of cushion. But I very much enjoy wearing these around the house. They look good with everything. I'm one of my Stranger Things Nike sweatpants. They go well with that. Yeah, I wouldn't really, because of the shearling, these kind of do look cozy at home wear. I don't know how much I would wear these out in like out in public if I had a function to go to or dinners or lunches. For that, I would maybe move to a regular Birkenstock. But like as I said, I'm not really your biggest Birkenstock wearer, but these I do enjoy. So in summary, I would go like that half size up area. Don't go full size up. Don't panic if you do though. I've made them work. They do mold to your foot eventually. These are nice and cozy. They're warm. You can wear them without socks. They kind of keep your feet warm. And yeah, they're very solid. They make so many of these colorways and stuff. My other piece of advice, I would not buy these full price. Each season retailers that carry Birkenstocks have sales. I would definitely not buy these full price or even slight discount. I would wait for some heavy discounts from retailers that carry them. I got these under $50. I think these Birkenstocks can retail for over $100. I would definitely not pay full price for a pair of Birkenstocks, whether they're the Shearling ones or any ones. Wait, find sales, look online, find sales. You'll find some for under retail. That's my last bit of advice. Anyways, yeah, you can check out my unboxing for initial impressions if you would like. I've also unboxed some other sandals here and there. Maybe I'll do a comparison video down the road once I've given everything a good enough wear. But if you work at home, or if you're at home a lot or whatever, even if you're not at home a lot, this is a great pair of indoor slippers or shoes. I haven't given the Lowheat Pollux Crocs a ton of wear yet, so can't really compare them to these, but these are super cozy and comfortable. If I had a standing desk, like I don't really work from a standing desk, so like all day standing in these, I don't know if they'd be all that great. I'd maybe get one of those mats, those floor mats to stand on if you're like doing a lot of standing at home. But they're definitely great for sitting in an office chair, sitting on the couch, just vibing with a bowl of nachos, great. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Subscribe for more wear reviews and unboxings. Coming up, we'll return to our regularly programmed sneaker unboxings, but appreciate you if you check this video out.